Pre-populate answers in organizers. Reduce manual data entry and streamline your workflow by using the pre-fill option. This simple option allows you to reduce data entry and provide a smoother, faster process when clients fill out organizers year after year. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, when you send an organizer using the same template, your clients, or you, can choose to pre-fill information that doesn't change from year to year, such as addresses, dates of birth, dependent details, and corporation information. This means they won't have to re-enter the same details every time. The pre-fill option is already turned on by default for all questions in your organizer template, except for document uploads. But you might not want every single question pre-filled. To customize this, simply go to the question you want to modify, click the gear icon on the right, and toggle off the pre-fill option. Keep in mind that pre-fill doesn't apply to document uploads. Also, if your organizer allows clients to copy sections, only the first section will be pre-filled. However, pre-fill does have some limitations. For example, it's unavailable if you use a different template, even if the questions are the same, or if you've duplicated a previously used template. On the client side, once they open the organizer, they'll see a button labeled Pre-fill. When they click this, the system will automatically populate the fields with the information they've already provided. And if there are multiple organizers based on the same template, clients can click Change Source to select which organizer they want to use for pre-fill. By using the pre-fill feature, you save time, reduce manual work, and create a better experience for both you and your clients.